Welcome to dFix, where learning meets simplicity. From Excel mastery to practical solutions, we're here to help you excel in every way. Let's get started on unlocking your potential. Today, I want to share a highly useful tip for office users, especially in finance departments: converting numbers into words. For instance, converting 1550 into words like rupees 1550 paisa only is a common requirement. This comes in handy when preparing invoices, printing checks, or writing receipt vouchers. Typically, this conversion is done using VBA macros, but not all of us are programming experts. So how can we accomplish this complex task easily and quickly? Let's explore how ChatGPT can assist us in constructing this solution effortlessly. ChatGPT is a friendly companion. Simply gather the required information and type or paste it to ChatGPT for instant assistance. You see, with the VBA code ready to paste, a task that seemed complex and time-consuming has now become incredibly simple. In just a fraction of time, we've transformed what could take hours of effort into an efficient, streamlined process. This is the power of technology, and more importantly, the value of understanding how to leverage tools like Excel and VBA. Let's see how we can use the VBA code generated by ChatGPT to convert numbers into words directly in Excel. The process is straightforward and quick. First, copy the VBA code generated by ChatGPT. Then, open your Excel workbook and head to the Developer tab. From there, click on Visual Basic to open the VBA editor. Once the editor opens, click on Insert and select Module. A new VBA code window will appear. Paste the copied code into this window. After pasting, close the VBA editor. Next, save your workbook. Click the File tab and choose Save As. Select your desired destination, such as the desktop, and rename the file. Under the Save As Type dropdown, choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. Make sure the file name ends with the .xlsm extension, then click Save. Now to apply the function, click on cell B11 where you want the amount in words to appear. Press the equals sign, type the function name number_words, add an opening parentheses, click on cell E11 where the number is located, and close the parentheses. That's it. The amount in numbers will now be converted into words. What's even more amazing is that it updates dynamically. Whenever the number in cell E11 changes, the words in cell B11 adjust automatically. Isn't it incredible how ChatGPT simplifies such a complex task in under a minute? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.